Mr. President, whatever you are doing is all bad because you are trying to cool down. But instead of giving people Panadols or giving yourself a Panadol to kill the pain, why can't you go and really diagnose what kind of a disease that is this? Diagnose and just know what exactly you're supposed to distill. Why can't you take yourself to the lab and be diagnosed so that we can take Kenya to the lab and diagnose Kenya to know what indeed it is that we require as a nation? What are these young people asking for? Look at them. They are fearless. You intimidate them with a gun. They are not worried about the gun. You intimidate them with taking them to jail. They are not intimidated. You have intimidated that you're going to kill them. Of course you have killed them, but none is intimidated. Why might I say you've killed them? The people that you command in the armed forces have done so. So the buck stops at you. You may not have even known, because I said you're a good man that does not understand